we have a special patient. You generally see me in the YouTube studio. Now we're gonna do a special case, and now we are in UR. And this is a special case. He's a young guy coming from UK to us, and he has severe erectile dysfunction, diabetes, and premature ejaculation. We will do a combination surgery for him. He does not have erection for many years. For the last 2 years, he does not have satisfactory erections, and for several years, he has a severe premature ejaculation. We call it anteportal ejaculation, the ejaculation just before vaginal penetration. Now we completed our neurectomy surgery. Why we do neurectomy for those cases? Because when we implant the patient, he will have a satisfactory erection after the surgery. But in this special case, he has severe premature ejaculation, and he does not even have a satisfactory life. He wants a desire, and he wants to have a desire to have a longer period and stay in the vagina for longer periods. And we completed our neurectomy. This is a different from our standard protocol. We have a huge experience with the neurectomy surgery also. Now we will continue with the implant surgery. We will do from the same incision with subcoronal incision, just like making a circumcision, and then we will finish our surgery in 15 minutes with the implant surgery. Now we completed the neurectomy surgery, and we go further with the penile implant surgery. In implant surgery, there are some tips and tricks and important points, as I all mentioned with you. Now we completed our corporotomy and dilatation. The corporotomy level is really very important. With the very proximal corporotomy incisions, we have the chance of using a single body implant. We are not going to use an RTE rear tip extenders, and as you see, we measure 21 centimeters for our patients, and we will use full body 21 centimeters of AMX LGX 700 implant. This implant is a special one, which is antibiotic covered, because our patient has diabetes, and this will give chance to have less infection rate. And we know that this implant has expansion in both girth and length, and so the patient will not have concerns about penile length after the implant surgery, and it will have a great rigidity after the implant because we use the full body implant. We are trying to combine all special techniques in a pool to increase the satisfaction rate after the surgery. The expertise, the volume of the center for the implant surgery is really very important. We have a good equipment and a good team and surgical team, because everyone has to be ready and familiar with the surgery. The position of the patient, everything is important after the implant surgery, and the measures for prevention of infections are also really very important to have a less infection rate after the surgery. The team is very dedicated for the implant surgery. Implant surgery is the only surgery with the implant for our team to get in OR. We don't have any other surgeries, and we are a good dedicated team for implant surgery. If you have concerns and questions about penile implant surgery with an affordable price and good service, please keep in mind that we have a good team in Istanbul. Please consider the surgical option for a great holiday and a great experience.